Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Then tap on Alarm section at the top on the left. To manage alarm settings, select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Settings, and adjust all of them under Alarms however you wish to. Then click on the back button. To add your alarm, select this plus icon at the bottom and set up an hour. In order to save it, tap on OK. Then click on Add Label at the top and label your alarm however you want to if you want to. To save your label, tap on OK. Now set up days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones, like Fridays and maybe Wednesdays. You can click on Pause Alarm over here and adjust this option however you wish to. When you finish, select OK at the bottom right corner. Now click on this little icon next to Google Assistant Routine if you wish to add your alarm or remove it from it. Last but not least, click on Bell icon. Over here you can pick those two sources, YouTube Music or Sounds. If you wish to set up music from YouTube Music app, you need to log in to your account. In order to pick songs from your device, tap on Sound, click on Add New, and just click on the song that you wish to set up. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and apply one of those device sounds by tapping on the best one. I will go with Relax. When you finish, just click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. You can hide all of those options by clicking on the top right corner. To switch off your alarm completely, select this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to delete it though, click on this icon at the top right corner of it and select Bean, at the bottom right one, at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!